Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to set up or how to create your Arattai account on Arattai application on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the application, verify your mobile number first, and it will be receive OTP and just verify it first of all. Then you just need to click on the profile info and just type your name, then click on the continue option. After clicking this, allow the contacts so you can see what are the friends or here on the application. Then you can find all the same thing like a WhatsApp, like a stories, messaging, chat, and there is a new or column called meeting room, and also you have the mention tab and a lot of the more settings. Like it's so simple and minimal look over UI. You can find the story privacy option like my contacts and whatever the everything has to be a simple UI which is so easy to use. And then you can just explore your contact by clicking on the explore contacts, so you can just message your friends already on the application. These are the list of my friends already on the Arattai application. This is how you just use this Arattai account and how to create this setup. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.